Topic 5. The Delhi Sultans. The rulers of Delhi. Rajput dynasties. Tomars, early 12th century, 1165. Anangpal, 1130 to 1145. Chauhans, 1165 to 1192. Prithviraj Chauhan, 1175 to 1192. Early Turkish rulers. Qutbuddin Aibak, from 1206 to 1210. Shamsuddin Iltutmish, from 1210 to 1236. Razia, from 1236 to 1240. Ghiyasuddin Balban, from 1266 to 1287. Khilji dynasty. Jalaluddin Khilji, from 1290 to 1296. Alauddin Khilji, from 1296 to 1316. Tughlaq dynasty. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, from 1320 to 1324. Muhammad Tughlaq, from 1324 to 1351. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, from 1351 to 1388. Sayyid dynasty. Khizr Khan, from 1414 to 1421. Lord dynasty. Behlol Lodi, from 1451 to 1489. Finding out about the Delhi Sultans. Razia became Sultan in 1236. She was the daughter of Sultan Iltutmish. Minhaz-e Siraj knew that Razia was more able and qualified than her brothers. In 1240, Razia was removed from the throne. The Circle of Justice. Fakhre Mudabir wrote in the 13th century that a king cannot survive without soldiers and soldiers cannot live without salaries. Salaries come from the revenue collected from peasants, but peasants can pay revenue only when they are prosperous and happy. This happens when the king promotes justice and honest governance. Along the external frontier of the Sultanate, the second expansion occurred. In the reign of Alauddin Khilji, military expeditions into southern India started and ended with Muhammad Tughlaq. The Delhi Sultans built several mosques. Moti Ki Masjid is one of them, which was built in the reign of Sikandar Lodi by his minister. Begumpuri Mosque was built in the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq. Mot Ki Masjid, Begumpuri Mosque. Administration and consolidation under the Khiljis and Tughlaqs. Instead of appointing the aristocrats and landed chieftains for the consolidation of kingdom, the Delhi Sultan Iltutmish favored to select their special slaves who were purchased for military service as reliable governors and administrators for Delhi Sultanate. Military commanders were selected by the Khilji and Tughlaq emperors as governors of provinces called Iqta, and their holders were called Iqtadar or Mukti. Delhi Sultans took the hinterland of the cities under their control and forced the chieftains and rich landlords to accept their power. Slaves rather than sons. The sultans were advised, a slave whom one has brought up and promoted must be looked after for its needs a whole lifetime, and good luck to find a worthy and experienced slave. Wise men have said that a worthy and experienced slave is better than a son. The assessment and collection of land revenue of a state was under Alauddin Khilji. Local chieftains were forced to pay taxes. Three types of taxes were: 1. Kharj, amounting to about 50% of the peasant's production of cultivation. 2. On cattle. 3. On houses. In 1219, the Mongols, which were under Chengiz Khan, invaded Transoxiana in northeast Iran. During the reign of Alauddin Khilji, Mongols attacked on Delhi Sultanate also. the Sultanate in the 15th and 16th centuries. After the Tughlaqs, the ruling dynasties of Delhi and Agra were Sayyid and Lodi dynasties until 1526. The only independent rulers in the entire South India were Jaunpur, Bengal, Malwa, Gujarat and Rajasthan. During this period, the two new ruling dynasties were the Afghans and Rajputs. Sher Shah also captured Delhi and founded his own dynasty. Akbar followed Sher Shah's administration when he consolidated the Mughal Empire.